Located in the beautiful province of Ninh Binh, about 90 kilometers south of Hanoi, the Trang An Boat Tour is one of Vietnam's most spectacular nature experiences. Often called Ha Long Bay on land, Trang An offers a peaceful journey through a landscape of towering limestone mountains, winding rivers, mysterious caves, and ancient cultural sites. Part of the Trang An Landscape Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this area combines breathtaking natural scenery with thousands of years of Vietnamese history. Unlike the ocean landscapes of Ha Long Bay, Trang An's dramatic limestone peaks rise from emerald green rivers and rice fields, creating a unique inland version of Vietnam's famous karst landscapes. The adventure begins as visitors board a traditional wooden sampan boat, usually guided by a local rower who carefully navigates the calm waterways. Each boat typically carries a small group of passengers, creating an intimate and relaxing experience. As the boat slowly moves along the river, the sounds of nature replace the noise of the city, with gentle water movements, birds calling, and the peaceful atmosphere of the surrounding mountains. One of the highlights of the Trang An experience is traveling through a series of natural caves carved into the limestone mountains. The boat enters dark, narrow passages where visitors glide beneath impressive rock formations shaped by millions of years of geological activity. Some caves stretch for hundreds of meters, with low ceilings, unique stalactites, and fascinating shapes created by water erosion. The most famous caves along the routes include Cave of Bright, Dark Cave, and other natural tunnels that reveal the hidden beauty of the limestone mountains. Passing through these caves feels like entering another world, where the combination of darkness, silence, and ancient rock formations creates a memorable experience. Beyond the natural scenery, Trang An is also deeply connected to Vietnam's cultural heritage. Along the boat route, visitors may see ancient temples and historical sites hidden among the mountains. These sacred places reflect Vietnam's long relationship between nature, spirituality, and national history. The scenery throughout the boat ride changes constantly. At one moment, the boat passes between towering cliffs covered with green vegetation. At another, it opens into wide valleys surrounded by peaceful countryside. Depending on the season, visitors may see lotus flowers blooming, golden rice fields, or mist covering the mountains, creating a landscape that looks almost like a traditional Vietnamese painting. Trang An is also home to diverse ecosystems. The limestone mountains, forests, rivers, and wetlands provide habitats for many plants and animals. The area's protected environment helps preserve the natural beauty that makes Trang An one of Vietnam's most important ecological and cultural destinations. A typical Trang An boat tour lasts around 2 to 3 hours, with several different routes available. Some routes focus more on caves and natural landscapes, while others include more temples and historical attractions. The slow pace allows visitors to fully appreciate the scenery and enjoy a relaxing escape from busy city life. The best times to visit Trang An are early morning or late afternoon, when the sunlight creates beautiful reflections on the water and the temperatures are more comfortable. During the cooler months from late autumn to early spring, the misty atmosphere adds an especially magical feeling to the landscape. Compared with many tourist attractions, Trang An has maintained a peaceful and natural atmosphere. There are no large crowds of vehicles or noisy entertainment areas along the river. Instead, the experience is about connecting with nature, observing local life, and appreciating the harmony between humans and the environment. For travelers exploring northern Vietnam, the Trang An Boat Tour is often combined with visits to other nearby attractions such as Bai Dinh Temple, Vietnam's largest Buddhist complex, or Mua Cave, famous for its panoramic mountain views. A journey through Trang An is more than just a boat ride. It is a peaceful exploration of Vietnam's natural wonders, ancient history, and cultural traditions. Drifting through crystal-clear rivers beneath towering limestone mountains, Visitors experience a landscape that has been shaped by nature for millions of years and cherished by generations of Vietnamese people. For anyone visiting Vietnam, the Trang An Boat Tour offers an unforgettable glimpse into the country's timeless beauty, a place where mountains, rivers, caves, and history come together in perfect harmony.